We didn't set out to recreate the Razr. Turns out the world was ready for another Razr.
For our foldable device, we had to re-engineer how we design a phone from the bottom up. And this latest innovation is a journey that's taken 4 years. At the end of that journey, we've created a device that has all the capability that you're used to, yet it literally folds in half.
We started working with Lenovo's research and technology team in 2015, both for the display and the hinge. The benefits of collaborating was they had a different perspective than us, so it brought a little bit of diversity to our thought process.
Boy, we went through multiple different core hinge designs. We knew we had the right design when the design kind of got out of the way of the rest of the components. To ensure Razr's zero-gap design, the hinge includes movable support plates that rigidly support the display when the phone is open, but collapse out of the way when the phone is closed.
What you'll see with the new Razr and the focus on the team was really around this idea of craftsmanship. Just an obsession of the quality of the materials is something the team focused on. It's a really beautiful mixture of glass and stainless steel and some resin. We feel like we've really got that perfect kind of blending of this amazing engineering and incredible design.
So when we started doing research on the design for Razr, I think we started with about 26 different prototypes until we finally got to the clamshell design. This new form factor isn't just something that's technologically really cool, but it's something that's going to give consumers the big screen that they want and the portable and pocketable device that they've been asking for.
So what sets this design apart, in addition to the fact that it folds in half, is that we've optimized an experience for the inside and we've optimized an experience for the outside. And you're able to transition between the two when it works for you.
Whether it's making a phone call, browsing, watching a movie, they're gonna do this a lot. So what we do is we have a machine that opens and shuts and accelerates that to make sure that you could close it, you could open it again and again and again. We didn't bring the Razr to market until we knew it was ready.
The new Razr signifies a breakthrough in the mobile industry. It disrupts the status quo, the way that it's designed, the materials it uses, and applying technologies in a way that brings a product that inspires consumers to get excited about the industry, not just about the next spec that you can pack into a standard smartphone.
To me, the Razr is visceral.
It's a solution.
Revolutionary.
Breakthrough.
The piece of art that folds in half.
It just feels good to do this.